New radiator in. Change cooler mounted up against the back of the hood latch. Secured out of the way. Filter mags on the transcooler. Need to go grab some silicone to finish off the thermostat and get that cooling system wrapped up. Everything's coming together. Rerouted the fuel line back around the backside distributor cap. Spacers on. Space the throttle linkage up. Hard to see that one. There we go. Little spacers, a little blurry. And just coming along. Gotta replace the belt and space out the bracket. Looks like we're eating a belt. Our spacing is off just a whisker. So I gotta move the alternator forward just a touch. So get that done next while I wait to go to town to grab the rest of the crap I need.